In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can directly connect Binance and Trust together. So in order to establish this connection, what you have to do is start on Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet and choose the option to add new coins. You just have to make sure that you have BNB available. So you can either use this option here at the top or choose the receive option, whatever you prefer. If you choose receive, look for BNB. So you will be able to find BNB Smart Chain, BNB Beacon Chain, and so on. If you don't see it on the list, like I said before, use the assets icon or this coins icon at the top and you will be able to add BNB to the list. Now when you choose receive, you should be able to see it. Upon choosing BNB on the receive list, you will be presented with a QR code and of course the wallet address itself that you can copy to use to deposit. However, what we're going to be doing instead of using this QR code or the option to copy the address is to use this button here, deposit from exchange. So as you can see, this is going to be a direct transfer from your account. So this option allows us to use the Binance account directly. It's even easier. Of course, if you want to, you can copy the wallet address and just do it manually. But if you tap this button, you will be automatically redirected to your Binance account. So if you choose deposit from exchange, you double check here, Binance, and it's going to redirect you into the Binance application. Assuming that you are already signed into your account, you will be able to confirm the address network, which should be automatically filled out. And you just have to enter the amount of BNB that you will be transferring to Trust Wallet. They make this process super simple, connecting both accounts together with a simple deposit tap. You don't need to do it manually by switching over to the Binance application, choosing withdraw or deposit, and manually inserting the wallet address. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Binance to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.